Tech Garage, presented by RockAuto.com, is brought to you by Custom Auto Sound, the originator of classic car OEM fit radios since 1977. Steel Rubber Products, quality crafted rubber parts and weather stripping. And by RockAuto.com, all the parts your car will ever need. We are back at Tech Garage, presented by RockAuto.com. Just finishing our lunch break, and John is still working on dessert. We're working on our Marauder here, Project M&M 2. John, let's take a look here and see what's going on underneath. We've already looked under the hood, and that's why we sent Josh and Benjamin to work while we were gone, enjoying our lunch. So what did they tackle?
Yeah, they did a great job. They started out with the serpentine belt, which is just kind of a gimme. They took the tensioner off, but first thing they did was take a picture of it. Then they went ahead and released the tensioner, slipped the belt off, replaced the tensioner, which was a good idea. Then just looked at their picture, reassembled everything, make sure it was in good shape and running in the right grooves. We're good there.
Very good. And then don't forget the hood props. That's an easy fix. You just pull a clip out on the bottom, clip out on the top of each side, put the new ones in, put the clips back in, and you are good to go. You're not going to bonk your head anymore.
We should have done those.
I know.
Then they addressed that overheating issue, which was great. They lifted the car up pretty good, man. And they told me they got a burp out of it. I'm feeling pretty comfortable. They put coolant in that little fitting, and I think we might be in good shape with the engine, Dave. I mean, but we need to start right here. This is dual exhaust, baby, from the factory. No marquee. That's a Murata dual exhaust.
That Cobra engine, so that merits a dual exhaust system. And then looking back here at the shocks, this is something we got to replace. I mean, they might be good, but think about a desk chair. This car's like, yeah, exactly right. Yeah, 20 years old. You've been sitting in an old desk chair that's going to leak somewhere eventually. Yep. So we might as well replace those while they're up there.
Differential service, we're here. Let's get to it, all right? So we'll have them do that as well.
Yes,
differential service. Our sway bar links look good. Exhaust. Back U joints are fine. Everything's looking pretty tight under here. And then, we got an issue there, though.
Yes, this is looks like the original fuel filter. At least it's old enough that we want to replace it. These are good for 50,000 miles. And what'd you say, this has like 60 something on it?
Yep,
so if it's the original, that's definitely time for that to go anyway.
Yeah, and I'm something's going on there. They got clamps, they were unsecure. If it was secure, but hopefully we'll just pull those off and everything will be secure. If not, we'll repair that as well. We'll have them do it, but we'll work our way up.
John, those aren't doing anything anyway. They just popped right off.
Whoa.
Yeah,
Nice.
We'll fix that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Body mounts all look good. Cables, our exhaust. Work our way up here. Transmissions mounts. U-joints in the front are nice and tight. Transmission mounts tight.
And the catalytic converters both look good, and sometimes you get a rattle in there, I guess, when it gets old, the material degrades. But these don't sound like that. Of course, we'll know once it starts running if we need to replace those.
No transmission fluid leaks. A lot of dirt, but no leaks. That's great.
Yeah, and that's another thing. While it's up, you might as well replace that transmission fluid. Again, the car's been sitting for a long time. It's a 20-year-old car. Well, it's $50.
Yep.
So you might as well do it while you're doing all this other stuff.
No oil leaks. No oil leaks. We're in good shape.
Excellent. Everything looks great.
Go ahead and get the oil changed and sway bars. Everything looks pretty good up here. So we'll get them to work. And hey, I'll tell you what, we'll take another break.
That's a good idea.
We'll go do actually Garage Ed, more suspension Garage Ed coming back after this break. So stick around. There's plenty more Tech Garage presented by RockAuto.com.